Hello students, you are most welcome in my class 12th Maths, and our chapter is inverse trigonometric function and some problems from exercise. See the problems. Find the value of tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus half plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2 and cos inverse half plus 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. So let us see its solution. We have question tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus half plus sin inverse minus half. Since the value of tan inverse 1 is tan 45, since you know tan pi by 4 is equal to 1, therefore this implies that tan inverse of 1 is equal to pi by 4. Therefore, it is clear here the value of tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4. And since we know that the formula of cos inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. This is the formula of cos inverse minus x. Cos inverse minus half is equal to pi minus cos inverse half. Here sin inverse minus half equal to minus sin inverse half. So we have pi by 4 here plus pi, the value of cos inverse minus half. Cos 60 degree is equal to cos 60, cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, cos inverse 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 3 here. Here we have minus pi by 3 minus sin inverse half, means the value of sin inverse half is equal to pi by 6. We put here pi by 6. So we have to solve this angle. So 4, 3, 6, its LCM 4, 1, 3, 6, its LCM is 12. 4, 3 are 12, 3 pi, 1, 12 divided by 1, 12, 12 pi here 4 pi minus 2 pi. We have 12 plus 3, 15 minus 6 pi. We have 9 pi by 12. This becomes 3 pi by 12. 3 pi by 4, sorry. 3 pi by 4. Our answer is 3 pi by 4. It is answer of this question. The value of tan inverse 1 equal to pi by 4 and cos inverse minus half equal to pi minus cos inverse half. Sin inverse minus x equal to minus sin inverse x. X means 1 by 2. Putting the value of cos inverse half pi by 3, sin inverse half pi by 6. Solving it we get 3 pi by 4. Now we do other part of this question. So you see the solution of other part of this question. Other part is, see here. Other part solution is cos inverse minus half plus 2 sin inverse half. Cos inverse half, the value of cos inverse half means pi by 3. The value of 2 sin inverse half equal to 2 pi by 6. Because since we know that cos pi by 3 cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, this implies that cos inverse half is equal to. Similarly, sin pi by 6 is equal to half. This implies that sin inverse minus half is equal to pi by 6. We put the value 2, 3 are 6. Now we solve it. Pi by 3 plus pi by 3 is equal to 2 times of We take one more question also related to inverse trigonometric functions. See how we can solve this question. We have given a question. Question is, if tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 3 pi by 4 is equal to x, then find sec x. Find sec x or other trigonometric ratios we can find. Let us suppose that it is given tan inverse 3 by 4 is equal to x. Therefore, it becomes tan x is equal to 3 by 4. Since in right angle triangle we know that value of tan theta or tan z equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is of 3 ratio and it is of 4 ratio. Here x, we suppose it right angle triangle, right angle directly. In this triangle ABC, we use Pythagoras theorem. In right triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. Now we find here BC 4 square plus 3 square, that is 25. AC becomes under root 25, that is 5. Side AC, ratio of side AC is 5 units. Therefore, since we know that sec x is equal to hypotenuse upon base, AC upon BC, that is 5 upon 4. Value of sec x becomes 5 upon 4. We have given this question tan inverse 3 by 4 is equal to x. We have to find the value of sec x. For this solution of this question, we put here tan inverse 3 by 4 is equal to x. Therefore, tan x equal to 3 by 4. We make right angle triangle perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base 3 upon 4. Using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse whole square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. We use Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle. AC square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square, that is 25. Therefore, AC is equal to under root 25, that is 5. Now, since we know that sec x is equal to hypotenuse upon base, that is 5 upon 4. It is our answer. Then students, you can practice more questions from inverse trigonometric function. Thank you.